Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Stealth 600 Gen 3 on your PC. You have to start by opening your browser and write Swarm 2. Now search, scroll down and click at this link. Now go to this link and right here click download. You can choose also a Windows, so I have a 10 and I install it for it, but you can change it to 11, it's up to you. And click download. Now we should wait until it is finished. Open it, and now we should just bring it somewhere. So I put it to my desktop, click on this file. Now click next. You can choose a folder right here, but I leave it there. Then check, next, install, finish, skip, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!